Hey lovelies, welcome back to week 1 of our makeup journey. I get so excited every time I say that. Oh, because this year we are going to learn how to do makeup, like a flawless makeup look. Okay, not just makeup, step by step. But this week we are just going to start with the basics. And when I say the basics, I mean, you know, for women over 40 like me, we're just going to learn the essentials to put in our little makeup kit, okay? So y'all stick with me. Listen, truth be told, I know makeup can be a bit overwhelming at times, especially for women that are 40 and older, because for me it has been. However, the right tools can make all the difference. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to get you started on your makeup journey. The first tool of choice is our foundation brush. This is a game changer, especially for women with mature skin. It helps apply the product evenly onto your skin. As you can see here, it gives you a flawless base without any streaks. And I'm only doing half of my face so that you can see what the other half will look like with the beauty blender. If I use a beauty blender, this is a damp beauty blender. Now, the beauty blender is going to give you a more natural finish, even radiant finish. Either one will work, but both give you a beautiful finish. The brush leaves more product on your face. The beauty blender will leave less product on your face. Beauty blender side, brush side. You make the call on which one you want to use. All right, next up is the concealer brush. This little guy is essential for targeting those tricky spots like dark circles and blemishes around the nose. It gives you precision where you need it the most without all that excess product. So that's your third tool in the kit. Okay, throw it in the bag. I love using a pencil because it allows for small hair-like strokes that fill in the sparse areas, and that's just not too heavy. You know what I'm saying? So this is my preference. I know everybody has a different preference, but this is mine. So this is tool number 4.
Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you.
Okay, let's talk eyeshadow brushes. We don't need a ton to create a beautiful look. Just a few can, be a game changer. The first one is our MAC 242 brush. It is a flat shader brush and it's used for applying color. That's it, basic. The next brush is our Morphe 513 brush. It is basically used to soften edges. And then last but not least is our Sigma brush. This is the pencil brush. The pencil brush is, pull it back some so you can see I want you to see this part of it. But the pencil brush is just basically used to smudge out your eyeliner. You can see the tip of it is pointed. And I like the fact that Sigma actually writes what it is on their brush. I like that part. I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to take our pencil brush. I'm going to smudge. I'm going to hold down my eye because it's trying to water on me. Beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect, 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 perfect. Oh. This is my blush brush from Japanesque. I use several different types of blush brushes, but this one by far is my favorite. Just fluffy bristles. Make sure that it can, pick the product up, lay it lightly on your face, okay? Let me demonstrate.
I can understand you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh.
Oh, I love blush. I just love blush. Oh. You can't miss me with blush. It just does something to your face. It just brings so much. Yes. Can you believe I used to not like blush? Last but not least to your essential toolkit is definitely your powder brush. I cannot say enough about my powder brush because I use it to set my makeup down when I get ready to finish my makeup. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty setting powder, use the residuals from what's in the top, take my powder brush, dip it in, dust it off, and then I'm gonna set my face because remember, we just put foundation all over our face and it is still wet, and you do not want to go around with wet products No, 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 no. We do not want it slipping and sliding all day long. That just won't be beautiful at the end of the day. Ooh, honey. Ooh, child. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So there you have it. All of the must-have tools that you need for your makeup kit. Now remember, it's not about having each and every tool. It's just about having the right ones for you. Ladies, don't forget to subscribe so that you do not miss the next video in the series, which is skin prep for mature skin. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know which tool you couldn't live without, because remember, we're still trying to grow this community one brush at a time. So I'll see you guys next week, and thank y'all for joining me this week. Bye bye for now.